Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Montague County in north central Texas until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Stoneburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stoneburg around 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Macon around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The storm is currently over Clay County but will enter Montague County shortly. Very heavy rain will also accompany the storm. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.